We are here to share with you a free trading strategy that is profitable trading on pocket option on the OTC market. This strategy is based on the MACD oscillator with its advanced trading perimeter settings, a powerful MACD indicator that can provide valuable insights into market trends that focused on below-minute time frame. By utilizing on-trend momentum, we can identify potential trading opportunities and make informed decisions. Let's take a closer look at the Australian dollar to US dollar currency pair. On our previous trading chart patterns, we can observe two lines crossing each other, indicating a significant shift in momentum. This is an excellent signal to trade lower and capitalize on the downward trend. We have traded on a time frame of 30 seconds to 1 minute and works best with this method. However, it is crucial to keep in mind that a balanced market trend is essential for successful trades. It is advisable not to trade on trendy markets, as they can be unpredictable and result in less favorable outcomes. We have seen promising results using this strategy. The Australian dollar to Canadian dollar currency pair crosses our MACD indicator. It indicates that the trend will likely move higher. This presents an opportunity to trade higher. Got potential profit from the upward movement. Similarly, we have observed a confirmation between Euro and USD, further supporting our trading decisions. If you are interested in learning more about this trading strategy and exploring other valuable insights, we invite you to subscribe to us and watch the rest of our video. Make sure to follow us for future updates and additional trading strategies that can enhance your trading experience.